In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a WooCommerce product, whether you're making some updates to your store or simply want to temporarily hide a product from your customers while you make adjustments. Knowing how to unpublish a product in WooCommerce is an important skill for any store owner. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring it's easy to follow and implement. To start with, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your website, and it's where you'll manage your WooCommerce products. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but we're focusing on products. Click on Products, and then choose All Products from the sub-menu that appears. This brings up a list of all the products currently available in your WooCommerce store. Now that you're looking at the list of products, the goal is to locate the specific product you wish to unpublish. If you have a long list, you might find it useful to use the search function at the top right of this screen. Once you've found the desired product, you have a couple of options to proceed. The first option is to use the Quick Edit feature. You can access this by hovering your mouse over the product name. A few links will appear beneath it. Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. Click on Quick Edit. If you're looking for a more detailed approach, you can choose to open the product by clicking on Edit. This will take you to a full edit page for the product and provide you with more context and additional options. Whichever method you choose, the next step is to change the product's status. Look for the Status drop-down menu. This is where you can decide how visible a product should be. If your goal is to completely remove the product from public view, but keep it in your database, change the status from Published to Draft. Alternatively, if you want to keep the product visible only to administrators, you can select Private instead. This option allows administrators to review the product without it being displayed to regular store visitors. Finally, don't forget this crucial last step. Click Update. This ensures the changes you made are saved. If you used Quick Edit, you'll find the Update button right there on the same screen. If you open the product in full edit mode, it will be at the top right of the page. Once you hit Update, your product will no longer be visible in your store's front end, aligning with the status you set. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to unpublish a WooCommerce product. This process can be repeated for any product in your store whenever you need to manage its visibility.